Advertising for free. Welcome to the presentation on free advertisement, just an idea to help all those who are in need. This presentation is given by Akshay Color Labs, Bangalore, hoping this may help small business persons. Do you feel this seems like an impossible thing when heard? No, with some imagination and creativity one can conserve the cost. To advertise, expertise in article writing relevant to the subject and submitting media with similar interest is the key. Present day, the opportunities are plenty for free advertisements on the internet which are viewed by hundreds of people every day. On gaining some recognition leads to popularity, thus leading to radio and television talk shows and even to interviews. Taking advantages of such opportunities provide a chance for free promotion. This becomes a shortcut method and reducing all the hassle of formal procedure. Discussing about the business details will be of interest to the viewers. Once a business person gains the status of being public friendly, more offers start pouring in. Free bulletin board located in the neighborhood, like in grocery stores, libraries and saloons, are another good idea. Advertising circulars can be posted on such boards for free. Circulars for mass distribution can be handed out at the mall, shopping center, bus stops, particularly on weekends when there is a big rush. Students can be hired on part-time basis for this purpose. Promotional advertisement can be printed on the envelopes used by the business firms. Both the sender and the receiver can view this advertisement. Promotional offers can be sent to the customers by postcards, which should be utilized to its full, leaving only place left for writing the address. Following are some of the places where business can be advertised. New mail order publications offer free first-time and seasonal deductions for advertisers. Other publications offer pay-per inquiry space. Local newspapers provide several kinds of offers. Advertising exchanges where advertisement can be placed in their publication in return for placing their advertisement in our publication. Providing free offers to the customer in various ways such as emailing or printing newsletter to targeted customers using taglines, sending free coupons which the customers can use it for shopping if a criterion is met like minimum purchase of $50. By this the response will be huge and most of them will purchase something or the other to avail the free offer. I am just introducing an ebook which has made me to stand out in my business and the help is invaluable. I recommend this ebook to everyone who would like to take advantage. I am sure you will appreciate the value for money if you purchase this book. The ebook shows the method of knowing where your ad should be and how to create them for those places. This is an ebook jam-packed with 18 pages of info. You will understand it once you read it. This costs $47 and is worth investing. The link to purchase this ebook is given in the information area that is just below this video. Thank you for watching this video by Akshay Color Labs, Bangalore.